Laboratories Filorga, Paris. Ladies, you are going to want to remember that name. I was so glad when this skincare company reached out to me during quarantine and said, hey, we want to send you some products. And I said, hey, good, because I need some help. During quarantine, I got really lazy. I don't know about you, but I realized that, I was falling asleep. I'm not great at washing my face at night, I know, but I just wasn't keeping up with the routine anymore. We got off all the routines, didn't we? So I thought, okay, this is a time, especially not being able to get Botox touch-ups, you're really seeing what is going on with your skin. So the other thing is, at my age, I thought I've got to start learning more about the true deep anti-aging ingredients. So Filorga sent me their line. I started it during quarantine. So I've been using it for about a little over a month. And you know, I never share anything with you until I have used something and really have enjoyed and seen the results. Okay, had to put my glasses on because there's some really cool things I want to read to you. So make sure to watch to the end of the video because I've got a special surprise. So I have been having a blast researching. You know I love to research. So I've been nerding out getting to know Filorga, and they're a really unique company. They're the first French laboratory in aesthetic medicine, and they've created something called Medicosmetique, and it's all about anti-aging formulations. So mixing science with luxury for all of us ladies. So it's by a doctor, and he was obsessed with cell biology. And over the past year, which interests me because the last year I have been learning on this wellness program so much about cellular health. So I'm all about it. They have invented something called NCEF, New Cellular Encapsulated Formulations. So they have different lines from time filler, which is obviously when you think of time, let's turn back the time. Isn't that a Cher song? Turn back to, sorry, I digress. So Lift, Hydra, which is about hydration, Lift obviously, and there's Global Repair. So I have a few different things from some of those lines that I just have fallen in love with. Obviously during quarantine, like I said, no Botox. So it's kind of cool to see what my skin has done with really stripping back well, I didn't have any kind of skincare routine, to be honest. So starting fresh with almost a clean slate, right? At my age. Needing something a little more aggressive, you know what I'm saying? So let's kick it off with the NCEF line. I'm fascinated with it. It's 50 ingredients that work together to boost correction. So with wrinkles, radiance, and firmness. So like I said, my evening routine has been really lazy. So we all know that our skin, our body regenerates in the evening. So it's really important what we do in the evening, especially washing the face, cleansing the face. And I use the foaming cleanser so that we can open the pores and prepare it to receive the serums. My sister taught me that, you know, she's an esthetician. So the NCEF-INTENSIVE is exactly that. It's all of those ingredients in a concentrated form to wear at night. See, and they're all about the science meeting the luxury. And that's part of it too, with wanting to go and pamper yourself, treat yourself like a queen. And they're all about the experience with the textures, the sensory textures, and what they call olfactory, the scents, right? So every night Erin's like, you smell so good, right? So that's a +2, ladies. So it smells so clean and fresh, and so it's lightweight, but it's intensive. It is really doing amazing things for my skin. I wake up and it's like, wow. So the radiance, I am getting a lot of compliments. I get compliments on my skin anyway, but lately I'm getting, because I'm doing so many videos without makeup and unfiltered videos, I'm getting so many comments about my skin lately. So I'm like, you know what? Filorga's working. So the other NCEF that I'm loving is the night mask, and I love the packaging, the night mask. So again, it's those 50 ingredients. And I'm doing this, I would say 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm layering it. So ladies, I think that's the key to aging and aging gracefully, is it's not going to take just one product. Maybe it's the layering. So look how great that is. It feels really good. Look at that. So again, it's about that whole sensory experience. And we want to kind of have your skincare line call your name, like, Tiffany, come to the bathroom, wash your face. It's gonna feel so good, and you're pampering yourself. I've actually been putting some of these things on the back of my hand, and it feels really good. So, and it's light. You're not gonna go to bed with like a heavy gunk on your face, or goop, as Gwyneth Paltrow would call it. So it feels really good. So that's an NCEF that I love. The other thing that I'm loving is from the HYDRA line. Check this out. So it's literally an intense hyaluronic acid. So, and I love all their little, so you pump it, and look at that. So, you know, hyaluronic acid helps your skin hold water. I mean, the back of this hand is going to be feeling good. And what I love is it's not sticky. So what I've been doing, and what I learned when I lived in California where the weather was really dry, my skin changed a lot. And of course, living in a more humid environment really does help keep that glowy skin. But when we're going in from the AC to outdoors, it actually makes my skin dry. So I actually put this on first thing in the morning. Okay, next thing is, this is the jam. Maybe that's why my videos have been looking better. So when I know I'm gonna be doing videos, what I've been using is from their lift line. And this is literally like, and it's so cool, look. It's got this roller. Let me plump it a few times. See it coming out, can you see it? You literally do a lift up. So I put it on my jowls and on my neck so that I have this lifting effect before I do videos. And on my lids, because I haven't had Botox. So this eye especially is more of a lazy eye. It literally, ladies, I go upward strokes here, up here, and on my, it literally, like, appropriately is named lift. Kind of has a bit of a tightening effect, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Oh my gosh, this hand is looking so good. Look at that. Okay, the next thing is the C Recover. You know, I'm all about the vitamin C. This is amazing. So I got the package to show y'all. It comes in 3, and then the little dropper. So these actually have, you know, vitamin C cannot be exposed to the elements or the sun. So there's a powder here. You push it in, mix it up. It never touches the air because deoxidization, you know, I think I've talked about this before. And then you put the dropper on, shake it up. And I've been putting this on. Actually, I put this on first, let it get down, and then I put the Hydra. This is my jam. I love these. I love these. I love these. My skin loves vitamin C. Okay. What else? So I've showed you my nighttime. I've showed you the NCEF. Oh, time filler. A few of the products that I love from their time filler line. This is all about the wrinkles, ladies. So, you know, I love learning something new in the research. Time filler is all about addressing the 4 different types of wrinkles. I've never heard about this before. So we have surface wrinkles, deep wrinkles, contraction wrinkles, and dryness wrinkles. So whether you have 1 of those, 2 of those, or all 4 of those, it's going to address all of it. So no matter what age we are, time filler is great. And I am loving the time filler eyes. I feel like we're always in search of a great, like the perfect eye cream. So what I love again is during quarantine, the Botox was going out from around my eyes, and I was noticing that crepey look. I really never noticed that before. So even feeling it right now, around my eyes feels really plump. So loving the time filler eyes. And guess what? I am gonna give a lucky lady time filler eyes and time filler cream. And I'm actually using the cream in the evenings as a night cream on the evenings that I'm not doing the NCEF mask. So again, it's all about that layering, right? And you're also going to get the Time Filler Sheet Mask. It's all about boosting your collagen. So look down below for all the entry details. And you know what's gonna help all of you out? You can use the code TIP20 at Filorga.com, and make sure you're on the United States site. They have the French site, and you're gonna get 20% off your first purchase. And that does not include their newest launch. It's called Global Repair. So again, it is all about that ritual, that evening little bit of luxury that we should be pampering ourselves with. I am loving it. And yeah, it's all about us aging gracefully together.